Searching for innovation. The best for you. Tylift CNC Turret Punch Press. Tylift plus Fanuc equals value, speed, reliability, and the most competitively priced. From 1975, Tylift started the development of the CNC Turret Punch Press. Now it is the most advanced manufacturer in Taiwan. Tylift highly values the enhancement in scientific technology and application, always able to supply good machinery equipment to fabricators all over the world, not only with specialized, talented personnel and outstanding R&D teams, but also in cooperation with first-class, famous giant machinery corporations in the world, applying the best quality components in machine manufacturing, from aspects such as product planning, simulation analysis of module systems, CAD/CAM engineering design application, checkout of specifications, quality features, minute analysis design, tests and certifications, engineering technology planning, components development, tactful experimental manufacturing, and product certification and testing, to final mass production. Strict quality development process and excellent quality performance has won the appreciation of users and subcontractors. The business grows every year. Quality, technology, accuracy, efficiency are our common beliefs, always caring about customers' needs. Value cultivation of design resources, absorbing the everyday life experience, inheriting the value of culture, innovating again in the new era of development and design for the CNC Turret Punch Press. Now the model range we can supply in CNC Turret Punch Press is comprehensive. Metal sheet sizes from 100 millimeters to 4,980 millimeters. There is the CP model, HP model, and HPS hydroelectric servo. With 20 to 30 punching tons, the product that can be manufactured includes switch boxes, computer cases, household hardware, steel-made furniture, and so on, as long as the metal sheet thickness is below 6.5 millimeters, even including aviation products. It really is the best choice in investing production equipment.